tell you, Snuppy, they don't allow chickens on roller coasters. How many times you gotta be told that? Snuppy, no, they don't allow puppies on roller coasters. Hey, don't talk when I'm talking. They don't allow chickens or puppy dogs on roller coasters. Understand? Because you should. Yeah, that's it. I'm tired of your mouth. I'm going to ruin you. Okay, that made no sense, but still yes. Say hello to my stinky shoe. It's the stinky little shoe. Sniff it, sniff it, sniff it, sniff it. Yeah, I don't think you like that now, did you? Did you?
Email it to me. Just get the areas, alright?
Okay. End of video. Okay.